Hi, this is GED teacher Damon Tennant, and in this video, we are going to complete the last question from July 2020's GED Math Worksheet of the month. So if you've been following along this month, you know that each month on our website channel, we put mygedlive.com, we put a free worksheet out there every month. And most months it's math, but sometimes it's other subjects like the science or the social studies or also the RLA. But in this case, in this month, it was math, and it was an algebra subject, solving for X. And so what you're going to see in the following video is me working out the final problem of this worksheet. So again, every month we put out a new worksheet, and then each month on the YouTube channel, you'll see a video of me working that out. If you like this kind of content, please like it. If you want to know when these videos are available, please subscribe, and however you have your notifications set up in YouTube, you'll find that out. But for now, just sit tight and enjoy the final video of this month, and I look forward to coming back in August 2020 with some more great GED prep content for you.
This is Online GED Teacher, and in this video we are going to complete the final GED Math Worksheet video for the month of July 2020. So if you've been following along with us, you know that we publish a free GED worksheet. In this case, this happens to be math. And then on our website down here, www.mygedlive.com, you can just go and download that worksheet. And then in addition to that, what we do on YouTube on a weekly basis is we do one of the problems from this free worksheet. Here it is. So again, as I said, this is our fourth and final question that we're going to be doing from the worksheet this month. Let me get that all the way down on the screen there. And so for this last one, I'm going to do a deceptive problem. It looks easy, but it's a little bit deceptive. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing I want to do is write it out. Okay, so here, if you've been following along with the videos, and I recommend that you go back and watch each video that was free with this worksheet. I mean, when you think about it, this is quite a package that you have now. So you have this worksheet that you can download from the website, and then you have 4 videos that, at least if you struggle with this, it gives you some direction on what to do with these kinds of questions. So it's really a win-win. It's true GED prep. This is really getting you ready. This is not just practicing these kinds of problems, but it's showing you from a GED point of view. So now let's jump in. So 6 minus x equals minus 4. Now remember, in all the videos that we've done, I've shown you that our goal is to get x equals something down here. But this problem is going to have a little bit of nuance to it. So you have this 6 and this 4. And so, we try to color code those. And so those are like terms. And then you have this x. So 6 and minus 4, they're not the same number, but they're numbers, so they're like, and then x is a variable, so it's just by itself. So we want to combine like terms, and if you've been following along, we do combine like terms by doing the opposite, and we want to have x over here. Okay, so we don't want, we want to leave x over here, so we're going to start with this 6 here, and we're going to do its opposite. So the opposite of 6 is minus 6, and then because this is equal, so it means that this side is equal to this side. So if I take 6 away from here, I also have to take 6 away from here. That crosses out, gives me a minus x, and then that gives me a minus 6 minus 4 is a minus 10. If that confuses you in any way, I recommend that you jump into my program, the GED Super Math course, and it will break down all of these things for you. So here we are, minus x equals minus 10. Now, again, our goal is to find out what x equals, not what minus equals. So you have to go back to lesson 1 in the Super Math course when we talk about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing positive and negative numbers. So in this case, the x is, there's a 1 here, okay, and we usually don't write it, but I'll write it in a different color just to emphasize it. there's a 1 here because x is just one of them, so it's just 1x. So we normally don't write 1x. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to see that x is multiplied by a minus 1x. So we have to do its opposite, which is divided by a minus 1x. So I'm going to come over here and say divided by a minus 1. And then if I do it to that side, I'm going to do it to this side. So a minus divided by a minus is a positive, right? Leaving me with a positive x here. And then a minus 10 divided by a minus 1. This gives me a positive 10 because a negative divided by a negative is a positive and gives me 10. So x equals 10. And then you can see how that's true, because then if you take this 10 and you put that in there, 6 minus 10 does in fact equal a minus 4. So again, I hope this helps you. This is a little nuanced. This is one of those problems on the GED test that can really trip you up if you don't know what to do. And usually when I'm working with students in the course, usually what I find is that there's just these kinds of little steps that they don't know what to do on, and this is what trips them up. Once I can show them what to do, then they can have some success. So I hope this helps, and look forward to having you join me in the month of August, and we're in the year 2020, so August 2020, for a new GED worksheet and new videos being posted here to the YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to know when videos like this are coming out, make sure that you subscribe. And however you have your notifications set up, you will know when I post a new video. Thank you.